Want to know how to cancel a subscription on Trello? You would want to cancel the Trello subscription if you are not using Trello as frequently. Canceling the subscription can help you avoid ongoing costs. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Online Help Guide, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to cancel a subscription on Trello. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, open your Trello app on your screen. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Then tap on the settings option. Scroll down and go to the general section and tap on the contact support option. After that, it will open Trello into your browser. Here, tap into this down arrow button and tap on the billing, payment and pricing option. Again, tap on billing, payment and pricing section. Likewise, again tap into this down arrow button, and after that you will just simply have to select your account option. Furthermore, after selecting your account, you will get to choose the topic. Tap on the cancel cloud subscription option. Then you will just simply have to provide the URL, EN or the invoice number of your subscription. Finally, after sending all those details to the help center, they will help you cancel the Trello subscription. So this is how you can cancel subscription on Trello. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or suggestions. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.